I work hard on my videos, so leave a like, comment your favorite part of the video, and subscribe. I won't take up any more time away from you. I hope you enjoy. Yo, what do was good, YouTube? It's your boy Avo back again with another video. Yes, sir. Hey, today, man, we got a request from 2 months ago. Hey, I'm sorry, bro. I forgot about that comment. But he was asking me to do like how to sync tutorial type of a video. That's what we got here. You know what I'm saying? So I got 4 different clips from 2 games. We got 2 Minecraft, 2 Valorant. I'm gonna show you how to clip them. I just closed the fucking tab. I'm gonna show you how you can clip them in like kind of different styles of syncing them. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get into it. First step, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get that music. You know what I'm saying? We got the infamous GTA Warren. You know what I'm saying? Them Fortnite kids, they be using this song. First step on syncing is you gotta find the beat drop. So right here, you hit that boom, you know what I'm saying? And then you mark it. On Vegas, you press M. That's how you mark. I don't know how you mark on any other editing softwares, but I'm pretty sure you can do it. If you can't, just an easy way other than marking it, you could just cut the clip. And yeah, you can see the line there. Have your overlapping clip sync with where the cut is, and just, yeah, it's right there. But I like using markers. It's just easier. You can see the orange line better, even though it's orange on red, which is kind of aids. And before I put any clip, I like to put a video and 2 audio whatever tracks. I have this one at the second audio one for the game, third for music. As you can see, game audio, I have it muted if it's for Minecraft. I unmute it if it's for Valorant. So I'm gonna have it mute first because I'm gonna show you the Minecraft clips, because that's what you guys are mostly subbed for on this channel. Y'all be subbing for them me stealing them packs and then changing them a little bit. I don't know why you like that, but yeah. I bet I just got these 2 clips like right now. I can't even lie, so that's why they're kind of ass. You know what I'm saying? They're on the same guy. I just don't want to try. I don't know why I got 2. I don't know why I got 2. Alright, here's the first clip. I have my preview kind of bad because shit lags. It's probably gonna lag right now. Oh yeah, don't lag when I'm, yeah, no, it's fine. Don't lag when I'm recording. I don't even know. What did I clip? I pulled on there. Alright, we go here. Alright, so you're gonna have to find where you want the clip to start. I see them particles. I usually find like where I hit him. So like here, cut it out. And then I find where I want to end the clip. Alright, somewhere like there. It's a small thing. The most common sync to do with Minecraft is to sync the end of the clip to the beat. So like that. Or what you can do, which is because it's like a major beat drop, or it's just a beat drop, not just a normal beat. I'm gonna go. Where's that pearl? Pearl right there. Oh shit! I don't know. That's it. Where's the pearl? I go where the pearl is. Right there. And then what I do? I'll cut it and then I'll add some shakes in. I added a shake. Let me turn down the preview because it's gonna be laggy. Alright, it was kind of ass, but you know, it's just for the tutorial. That's not my first time doing that sync. I don't know. You don't need to do the shake. If you wanna edit tutorial, you can just ask. I'm not gonna do one now. Something else you can do is you get the start of the combo right here. Sync it to the beat drop. You can cut it and you hold control, drag it to the left, and it starts with a slow motion. And on the beat drop, it goes back. There's a lag. It goes back to the normal speed. And it's kind of like it's a cool effect. I see some people use it. Another way you can seek it at the end, because if you just do it like this, it's not it's not gonna, no one's gonna appreciate that. Like, it's not clipped to anything. It just goes. So find something like over here. Right here. Here's another beat. Drag it there. And then you can add your other clip in. There you go. I did not get a combo there. I don't know what I'm about. There you go. It just it syncs to the end and the beginning just goes to the next clip. I like doing that. It just makes it 10 times better. That's pretty much it for Minecraft. Syncing is just finding like a beat. You don't need to use the beat drop. Like right here, beat kind of dropped here. You can sync it to there. Add a kill. You can go on Valorant. This is an ace. We can where's my ace? Alright, for Valorant, what I like to do, I cut the clip right where I see we get this like green bar. Go to the beat drop, and then go like as much as I can, and then see like which ones I want to put in. There you go. And then from what I was talking about before, the beat here. And then you can just put your other up here. Now you got a transition. Easy transition. Don't even have to do anything hard cut. Some people like hard cut. I don't know, Thrifold does it. And his montages are still good. On the kill. And then on the transition. That's pretty much it. It's fine if you want to keep all this in. Everyone usually like keeps the whole clip. If you want to, you can like, as you can see, there's time between I get the Jack kill and then whoever I kill next. So what you can do is get the Jack kill right here. You don't need to worry about syncing it, and then you find right here isn't bad. And you find right here, you can seek it there. I got the Jack kill. It's kind of weird, but if you really like try to hear for it, there it is. It's synced. You can add a crossfade if you don't like the hard cut. That's pretty much it. Just sync the transition, sync the kills, sync like if you want to like do a gradual, like what I said with the Minecraft, just a slow it into the actual speed. Do that. That's pretty much it. Drop a like if this tutorial helped you, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.